Hello friends, it's Jim O'Rear. Welcome back to Jim O'Rear's Wacky World. Today, we're going to talk about just a couple things you might not know about auto insurance. We didn't know, and we found out, and they're just really bizarre. So, the first thing, we called our insurance company Progressive to see why our rates went up suddenly. And they started saying, well, we can go ahead and do a review on the policy and stuff like that and see what may be increasing the rate. I mean, we got perfect credit. We haven't had any late payments. We haven't had any accidents. I mean, it's just clean record across the board. And they started asking us questions and things like that. And then they asked us, well, what do you do for your job? I thought, what does that have to do with anything? Because, I mean, you're getting your payments on time. That's all that matters. I'm making money. You're getting your payments. Who cares what I do for a job? And they said, well, it matters because the job you do can affect your car rates. I went, really? And I started researching this and looking, and apparently other insurance companies do this as well. And they have found that if you have a certain status of job or a certain job title, it means you are more responsible and you pay closer attention to details. And their preferred clients are doctors, lawyers, accountants, people like that. People they don't like are fast food workers, secretaries, people in the hospitality industry that work at hotels. So apparently, the less money you make and the lower on the totem pole your job title is, the more you are going to pay in automobile insurance. Makes no sense. So, secondly, we found out that they do this creepy thing. Apparently, randomly, at different times, they just send out people to take photographs of cars that are parked in the street. And they just take these and they put them into this database and just hold on to them until they think they need to use them. For example, we had a car that parked in the street because we didn't use it. It just sat there. And we had noticed at some point that somebody had come by and either sideswiped it, hit it, or something because it had damage on the back. So we went to file a claim. And we said, yeah, there's damage on the back of the car, there's damage on the side of the car. And they said, well, no, you're going to have to file 2 claims and file 2 deductibles, pay 2 deductibles, because these didn't happen at the same time. Apparently, they had pictures of the car, and whenever you put in the date, when you say the date the accident happened, they're going to reference that date against photos that they have in file. And they're going to see, does the car have damage that they took a picture of on the street before that date, after that date, or whatever? And what they told us is that, according to 2 photographs we've got, the damage in the back happened at a different time than the damage on the side. Therefore, you're going to pay us double the deductible because that's just the way we do business. Now, this was what Progressive told us when we called and started looking that up, and apparently other insurance companies do this as well. So, if you didn't know, just a couple of weird, creepy, odd things that could affect your car insurance rates and your car insurance claims when you have damage. Weird. So, the more you know. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, click that like button to let the powers that be know that you like the video. And while you're at it, click on follow or subscribe, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.